Hello everyone, today we have this beautiful brand new BMW X5. This is the M Sport variant and it's coming for a full body paint protection film, our premium secure shield. So now this is coming directly from the showroom. So what we're going to do now is it has a layer of dirt and mud on the car, which we're going to do a pre-wash and first remove off the vehicle. We have now done the pre-wash and removed all the excess mud from the body. So now we are going to be doing a foam wash, which is going to be a much deeper cleaning. Now we've done the foam wash and we've taken off more of the mud, but while doing the wash we observed that the body is slightly rough. So we are going to use the detailing clay to take off any kind of roughness on the surface and make it smoother. We have finished with the claying now. The surface is smooth. We have removed all the contamination on the body. So now we are going to be doing a multi-point check where we check for any scratches, any stone chipping in the glass, any damage to the wheels. So every part of the car is checked thoroughly. So if there is any damage, we record it and keep the customer informed. So after the washing process, now we have to do the paint correction process. So what we do is we run the dual action polisher and that helps to correct the paint. So now we have finished with the paint correction. Now as part of the paint correction process, there will be a lot of polishing dust which will be stuck in these edges. So now we give it a high pressure blast of water so that all of this polishing residue comes out and it does not interfere with the PPF application process. So after continuing with the PPF process, first we have done the washing, then we have done the paint correction, that's to remove any minor scratches and dullness in the surface. Then we have also done another additional wash to wash off all the residue from the edges. Now finally the car is ready for PPF and is inside the PPF bay. So as a precaution, we connect a trickle charger to the battery connections. That's the negative and the positive. So here, since it has the AGM battery, we have connected it and now the battery is charging. So this ensures that the charge of the battery is not reduced during the PPF process as the doors are open and the sensors will be continuously drawing current from the battery. So now we have also done the dismantling of certain parts for the tuck-in process where the edges of the PPF will be tucked into the handles and around the door edges. So also as a precaution, we are covering these electrical connections with PPF, so there is no water which can go in and cause a problem. So this is how we remove the beadings. So the beadings are carefully taken off and kept. So we also have BMW trained staff. So we also remove the handles. So we're just going to show you and give you a demo of how the handles are taken off. Now that we are done with the dismantling of all the required parts, now we proceed on to the installation of the actual paint protection film material. This is a premium TPU material which is a 200 microns thickness. It is top coated and hydrophobic also. So we are going to now first measure how much PPF is actually required. We are going to do a process called cutting. So this cutting is taken into account each panel. We make a template and we make it as a bespoke template which is suited for the car. So what we are going to do now is we are going to trace the edge of each panel and we are going to see what is the best way in which we can cover each panel with a minimum wastage. So this is for the quarter panel what we are taking. So we are cutting out the edge for the quarter panel. This upper portion will cover the full pillar till the front of the car. So this entire section will be covering from the back till the A-pillar in one single continuous sheet. Here we will be cutting the door. So this is the front door. So now this panel of PPF is going to be covering the front door. Now this is a measurement happening for the back door. We are cutting out the outline. Now we are going to go ahead for the paint protection film installation. So we have prepped the surface one more time and this is sprayed with the slip solution. Now we are going to install the bonnet. So we are going to first lock the edges. That edge has been locked. Now the front edge we are going to lock it, and then we are going to remove the excess slip solution which is there inside the PPF. This is a proper wet application. So first step will be actually removing the solution from this and then following it up with the squeegee. We are now complete with the entire PPF application process for the full body. So we have fitted back all the door beadings, the handles, the tail light and other beadings which we had removed as part of the installation process. So to conclude, now we have also applied a graphene coating for all the wheels and graphene coating for all the glasses. So as you can see now, this beautiful X5 is glittering like a jewel and it is ready to take on life's challenges. So please do get in touch with us if you would like to get your car also protected.